All right, so why the hell is your agent telling you that you need to fix your home before putting it on the market? I just got this question on Facebook from a friend of mine who is in another state, and he's selling the home, and he's telling me that his agent is telling him to fix the roof, fix some windows that are cracked, clean the carpet, repaint some walls that have stains on it. And I mean, he's a little bit of, annoyed and bothered, wondering, oh, is this even normal? Like, am I getting screwed? Why is this happening, right? He's asking me that question. So I decided to make a video about it to help you guys and anybody who got the same question. It's not that your agent is making you want to spend money. The thing is that most sellers want to basically net the most money possible, right? And some sellers, they don't want to put in, they don't want to put in the work and the effort to do that. Right? They tell their agent,
"Oh, I want to make this much money from a house. I was expecting a higher number. Blah, 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 blah."
And then when you tell them, okay, well, just pressure wash the home. Let's clean up the carpets. Let's just fix the window, the shingle.
"Oh, I don't want to do that. I just want to sell it as is."
Right? That's a lot of sellers. That's how they think. You want to sell it as is. Okay. Now, can you do it? Yes, you can sell it as is. Now, let me tell you why that might be a little bit dangerous. Not legally. It might be dangerous for your pocket. If you're trying to net the most money, it might be dangerous. Here's why. If you're putting the home for sale as is, every single buyer is gonna look for every single excuse to drop the price. Why? Because it is a resale house. It's not a new construction, meaning you're probably not even offering any warranties at all. You've been living in the house for 5, 6, 7, 10 years, right? Now you don't want to make any repairs. So do you think every single buyer is going to trust you and say, "Oh, this seemed like a good dude. Let's just take his word and let's pay whatever he's asking for it"? Or do you think they're going to just go to the house, wonder what is wrong with this house? I mean, the community looks good. It don't look too bad. Here's, a few things that we already noticed, but they're selling it as is. They don't want to make any repairs. I wonder what's wrong with it. Why are they moving? I wonder if that's true. Are they moving because there's something wrong with the house or not? You get what I'm saying? So all of those things, all of them are going to affect your pocket at the end. So no, it's not that your agent is being, is being an asshole to you, telling you to make repairs on the home and spend some money. The thing is, if you want to make the most money, you're going to have to give the buyers what they're looking for. And guess what? You know who are looking for properties as is that need work? Investors. And you know what investors do? They make lowball offers. All right? So if you don't want to do that, pay attention to your realtor and do whatever you think is necessary to maximize your profits.